Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can play a game in Google Chrome. Since most people face the issue of losing internet while browsing, this trick helps you to be kept busy while waiting for the internet. So as you can see, I don't have internet as well, my Wi-Fi's are secured, so let's start by opening Chrome. And here is the startup, so let's try opening YouTube. And as we all know, this is the page that we usually get when we don't have internet, so the procedure is simple. Click the space button, and suddenly as you can see our dinosaur start moving, so keep on pressing space to jump. And if you don't, then as you can see you will crush, so keep pressing space for jumping. Also you can press the up arrow for jumping. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.